So it's going to be 3 or 4 different, I think you can actually see the lines in there. And then it's going to be So you can buy these things, but I thought I'll try and do it myself. So I've just come to my craft stash and I'm going to pick up some piping cords. So I'm going to be using a different thickness. I know it needs sorting out. So these are what I found so far. Luckily today is a sunny day. It's going to be, I think the spider web is going to be coming from there and just spreading around. I might use that hand thingy as well. Dog wants to come out as well. Let's go and find some here's my rope. I've been to the garage, got some pegs. Let's get going. First of all, as I said earlier, we're gonna use the thick rope. Try and tie it up here. I think I'm gonna do the first. Yep. Ribbon only comes up to here. I'm going to tie that one. I think it's going to be interesting spider web. And somebody's cutting grass in the neighbourhood as well.
Over there.
So next one, luckily we do need a longer one. I think it was longer, roughly like that. Oops. Hoping they're going to reach the ground. It's going to be like that. I might remove this one because it's not going to line up. But yeah, knots at the end here. Very straightforward. Tie that.
Very easy.
Stick it in the ground.
Like tents.
It is like tent, isn't it?
It actually kind of looks like a tent.
Yes. See if I need another one. But yeah, I'm going to tickle it. I'm going to have that one. It's outline. See if that reaches anyone. No. I think that's going to be like that. I know what you think. That's big enough, isn't it?
So maybe a couple more like that. Like going across.
Oh yeah, that's what we're going to do next now.
Oh!
So we've got the frame ready.
Just need one more.
I think that's plenty full. We'll see. If we've got enough rope, we'll do another one. But yeah, now I've got the thin rope. So next, we're just going to tie it. I think it needs knot on every connection. So I'm going to do a knot. Otherwise, I would expect it's going to fall apart.
It's going to look like a spider web.
Yeah, and it's...
Maybe we can get some fake spiders as well.
We've got spiders, sweetie pie. So just like that, we're going to continue. Actually, my jumper is too hot. His idea was the jumper. Do you think, Isla, we should cut these and then start from the next one?
No, I think it would look a bit...
Just leave it like that, is it?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Then it looks a bit more spider-like.
Okay, that's how spider would
Yeah.
build it.
Well, if you were a spider, how do you do it?
I know, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I think this is quite nice.
Yeah. That looks quite nice. All you're doing is just tying and then going on to the next one. You tie
Yes.
it and then go on to the next one.
So it's super easy, isn't it? You don't have to buy it from a shop, so you can just make it yourself.
Well, you do if you don't have any string. But you can just buy some cheap string.
Yeah, what shop would you buy it?
I would say maybe your shop.
Yes, buy it from Bangladeshery.
Yeah. So then you can get some ribbons. That's what it looks like. Olivia, do a funny face.
I think that's the last ones. What do you think, girls?
Good.
It looks good?
Yeah. I'll go and get the purple and black spider.
Let's go get Spider.
You can go and get spider web. Spider web, spider web. We are gonna have the best house ever.
So, from previous years, we've got this spider.
Yes.
We weren't sure whether we were going to put that with the basket. I think that would be good.
Yeah, it was a very good space. Yep. But we just gotta make sure the spider does. Maybe we could put some treats inside it with the spider. And then they'll have to like have some climb. And they'll have to like do.
That's how we're gonna keep it now. We'll see if we want to add something else.
Have to grab a sweet out of it. And then it can just
You can like
put
some of them like wrapped around like this one as well.
Well, we'll think about it, what we do next, isn't it?
Extra,
But I think that project is quite successful. What do you think?
Yeah.
So that's how it's going to stay with me. So I
think
hope you
it's
liked the nice and easy way of making a spider web for your Halloween.
And then you can put some treats in there, and then you can grab it out.
Very good. So that is it. I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, we think
How many points are you going to get?
10 out of 10. Spider web, spider web. 10 out of 10.
Good. Thanks. See you next time.